Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a very nice VW Sharan 1.4 petrol turbo automatic. Now, these cars are hard to come by. They're also very hard to come by in this condition, and we've tried very hard to source our cars, and I must say this, for a 2020 vehicle, is in absolutely fantastic condition. Now hopefully this quick little video will give you a snippet really as to the versatility of what owning one of these vehicles would be like. They drive surprisingly like a car, even though they are capable of carrying 5 people and a huge amount of space, or 7 people if you are doing a longer journey. Now the specification on this one is fabulous. That row of seats, the second row, are fully adjustable, so they have a bar under each seat, so they're individually adjustable to suit you, and you can fold 1, 2 or all 3 of them down if you'd like. With the seats in the position, you've still got a workable space in the rear for 2 smaller of your passengers, and then for accessing in the back you just pull that lever forward and that allows people to get in. And if I tilt the camera around, you can hopefully see you've still got a decent amount of space really for the size of the car. That one just clicks back and away you go. Now a lovely feature on this is the fact that it has electric opening doors as well as an electric power tailgate. So push the button, stand back, and the door closes. Now this being in the colour called deep black really suits it, really finishes the car off, I think. Underneath the VW badge you click the button and that allows the tailgate to open, so if your arms are full, it just makes life a bit easier for you. Even with all 7 seats in use, you still have a small boot area, and if you want to fold either of the 2 rear seats down, you pull the tag on the right, and then as you lean forward, very clever, it kind of concertinas down, pull the flap across, and there you go. So comes a 6-seater in that instance. Putting that one down, turn it into a 5, and if I push that button, it then closes the tailgate down and on your way again. Moving around, click the handle and that opens electronically. You can also do that from the ignition key as well, so that makes life nice and easy, and a simple push button to close that one. And then when you're in the driver's seat, you've got a 6-speed automatic gearbox with an electronic handbrake as well as a hill hold function. This one has climate control, so no arguments over the heating in the car, as well as satellite navigation, the ability through your Volkswagen dealer to connect Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, as well as the built-in navigation system. Fully electric windows, electric wing mirrors, they also fold in electronically if you'd like them to as well. And I hope with this short little video you get an appreciation of how well this one's been looked after. A lot of these aren't looked after, but this one certainly has been.